So this is really crazy for me to be on this here internet. This is Candy, Senior Days. Like, comment, subscribe. We're here, channel for seniors, their friends, whomever, yourself, if you're 50 and over. We talk about all things senior, some cultural things, throw a little history in there. So I got my little cheat sheet down here. I wanted to um, talk about the why. Why am I doing this? My goal is always has been freedom. I've gotten more focused on what I want freedom to look like for me. So freedom for me looks like, not being in a cubicle, not being in a small office, you know, not answering to anyone, not having to worry about getting in trouble, things like that. So being able to see my family, being able to walk out of my home into a forest or a green natural area, that's what freedom looks like for me. And with all the election stuff going on, I heard a young lady tell a story about the freedom parrot. And I don't know if you guys have heard this story, the freedom parrot. So the freedom parrot was in the cage and he was always yelling, freedom, freedom, freedom. And there was a guy always listening to the parrot yelling just for years and years, freedom, freedom. In his cage, the parrot is yelling. And so after a long time, the guy went to the parrot's cage and, said, today is your day. I'm going to open this cage for you. And the parrot was like, yeah, freedom. That's Braveheart, right? Mel Gibson. Yeah. Great movie, by the way. Anyway, so he opened the cage and the bird was like, freedom. And he was like holding on. The guy's like, the door is open. The whole sky is yours. And the parrot was like, freedom, freedom. But he didn't want to leave the cage. So the guy's like, come on, this is your shot, So he left the cage door open. And after having to try to physically pull Parrot out of the cage. And so he left the door open. And so, he thought for sure, the next day or two, the parrot would be on a tree or, flying around. And he went back to check on the parrot, and the parrot was still in the cage, screaming, freedom! How many times have we tried to make people do what they really don't want to do in all kinds of scenarios? You make somebody stay in a relationship for the kids, or you make yourself stay somewhere, whether it be a relationship, a job, and the words come out of our mouth, but there is no action, Jackson. So I just want to share that with you guys. And like me, I'm on this journey to be my most authentic self. And it's my time to reflect why I've been in my cage so long. So what about you guys? This is Candy, Senior Days. Like, subscribe, comment. We're trying to get the channel up, the community. I'm here for you. I got all kinds of information. I shared earlier about the enrollment period for insurance, and as I see articles, I'll share those with you guys wanted to keep it simple today because what they say is nobody's really watching these videos anyway. So, and I'm trying to build a history with YouTube. So, you guys enjoy your day, enjoy the people around you. Just be grateful and enjoy your day. Happy holidays. We're going to talk about the holidays probably next Sunday throughout the week. I'll give you guys little tidbits. I'm Candy with Senior Daze. Like, subscribe, comment. Thank you all for being here. Put your questions in the comments. I'm still building the channel. Open for feedback, anything like that. Thank you guys so much. Enjoy your Sunday.